In every space, the right light changes everything, and that's exactly what Artika Pro designs. Artika Pro brings sleek, contemporary lighting and home design products to market that are stylish, practical, and affordable. Their mission: to make great design accessible for everyone, especially in multifamily spaces like apartments, condos, and townhouses.
We created Artika Pro brand with the multifamily project in mind, and what we're talking about is, apartments, condominiums. I just did a college dorm. So anywhere where there's multiple units and you have residential living space, and the modern design is, we're used to contemporary, we're used to like more metals, metallicas, chandeliers, but ours is more modern. It's very popular right now, and it works really good in the multifamily space. We're looking at a builder or a contractor or even a general contractor that's putting together a project. They're building an entire apartment complex, or what we call multi-use too. A lot of a trend right now is, especially downtown areas, all the floors, the spaces upstairs, that's for the residents. That's the resident space. But down below you have retail, you have restaurants, you have like a gymnasium. So that's multi-use. We're able to provide the products for all that. Not just the living space, but the commercial space as well.
Artika Pro isn't just creating pretty lights. Every fixture is designed for real homes and real buildings, easy to install, durable, and built to last. One of the standout features of the company is versatility. Many of their fixtures offer adjustable color temperatures. That means you can choose from warm white, neutral, or cool light. Perfect for vanities, living areas, or shared spaces.
One of the trends right now in multifamily is we have product that can be different color temperatures, if you're familiar with that. So 2700 is what we're used to calling warm white, 5000 is cool white, warmer to cold. So now we can provide fixtures like our vanity and other fixtures where we have 5 CCT, so that's 5 different colors. And it's shipped and you're able to change it in the field. So that's very popular right now.
And it's not just about the indoor features. Artika Pro's outdoor options are equally innovative.
This is a brand new product called the Halo. Actually comes with the fake plant.
Oh, it comes with a plant?
Yeah, but it also is wet location certified, so you can actually put dirt in there.
The bathroom section highlights another trend: smart, efficient lighting designed for both beauty and practicality. Their vanities come in multiple shapes and finishes, from rectangular to circular, chrome to black, and they provide glare-free LED illumination. That means your space is perfectly lit without harsh reflections or unwanted shadows. Is this a really popular item?
It is popular. You see these in commercial too. You see these a lot in hospitality. If there's enough light, you don't need an extra light. You have your mirror, and the light projection is enough for you.
That's
and
amazing.
You can change the color temperature, and it also.
Can we do this?
You can also has a built-in fogger.
Wow, I like this one.
So do you see how the color changed?
Yeah.
That's what I mean by the CCT.
Yeah. It's warm, but now it's off.
Right.
Wow, this is beautiful. And you just have 2 different options for shapes.
We have more, but this is all we're showing this week.
Fans are another way Artika Pro combines function with design. Add in a remote control to adjust speed, direction, or color temperature, and you've got a fan that fits into any modern apartment or condo effortlessly. What do we call this?
That is a Fandelier.
A Fandelier. That is my new favorite word.
Yeah, so the difference is most fans that have a light, the light's in the center, the fan blades are on the outside. Fandeliers, it's opposite. You see the fans on the inside and your lights on the outside. And that comes with a remote control, so you can change the color temperature, you can change the speed, you can reverse it and do all that stuff.
And everybody likes a fan. But when it comes to volume and versatility, the Skylight collection steals the show. These surface mount LED discs come in multiple sizes, colors, and finishes, providing great light output while remaining easy to install, a huge benefit in multifamily and commercial spaces.
These are called Skylights.
Okay.
This is a disc surface mount fixture. They come in all different sizes, shapes, colors.
So they're easy to install.
They're very easy to install, and in multifamily, they very much are a great solution because they're easy to install and you get great light output, and depending on the size of the space, you can vary your light output based on the size.
Sure.
So it goes from 5 inches all the way up to 15 inches. And you can see there's different colors too. See how that one's warmer?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's our #1 seller. So that's the main product you'd see in a whole space for multifamily. And then we backfill with the vanities, the outdoor fixtures I showed you, and flush mount fixtures.
Are pendants popular for Artika Pro?
Yeah, if you look at an apartment or a living space, over your island, your kitchen island, over your dining room table, you a lot of times will have a pendant. That's what people want. So we have pendants, all different shapes and sizes. And again, it's that modern look. That's called the Denali right there. That looks like a cone. That's a very popular look.
Oh, like a mountain?
Yeah,
like...
if you exactly. So it's hollow on the inside. You can see the light ring goes around the edge. So that's very popular. And then
I like this one.
This is our flint.
It's beautiful.
And so one of the things we're able to do, I showed you the flush mounts. This is a pendant mount. Now I have a flint that's also a surface mount. It's a flush mount. So it's the same look and feel. So you can share it. So it's inside the space, you can make it look similar.
Artika Pro's new website makes it easy for professionals to browse their full inventory and find exactly what they need for their projects.
Even if you don't know lighting, you can get on our website and find the fixture you're looking for.
And how many fixtures would you say that you have?
In the Artika Pro, we have about 350.
Wow.
Then there's different variations. You know, it's the same fixture, but different sizes, things like that. Yeah, so we're really excited about the Pro website. Eventually, you'll be able to go on there and look at inventory, what's in stock, because we're the commercial world, right? We're not the consumer. Our customers are there to get information only, and then they'll go and they'll buy their stuff through channels. So being able to see inventory, what we have in stock, and even pricing will be very helpful.
From clever outdoor sconces to customizable indoor lighting, Artika Pro proves that modern accessible design can be both functional and beautiful. Their products allow builders, designers, and residents alike to create spaces that feel polished, practical, and effortlessly welcoming. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to Homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.